Right then, welcome back to my channel. This will be episode 7 of the new build series, and today we just get all the DPC sorted, all the trays and insulation sorted. Ground worker comes in, backfills all of the drains, all of the area around, and the welfare unit is finally ready to have a look at. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Right, this is the first day back after being on holiday for 7 days, and looking a bit different. Got all these 4 pillars for the posts that are going in, the wooden posts, which sit on a steel foot anchored in. They're all up. Chased out the first course of thermal block all the way around, as you see there. So we can then get our tray on tomorrow. Well, insulation in first, up to the top of the block, and then the tray on, which is a plastic tray, which we'll get a bit of footage putting that on as well. So yeah, after that we can start building up the corners and getting the big bits of block work done. Also, I've been away, the ground workers came in, put in all our drainage. There's one manhole, second manhole over there, put all the pipes in. There's Matt getting his 50p in. So yeah, also while I was away, Matt was in for a day, put all the vents in, bedded them in. Good job done. And yeah, rest of the drainage in to our manhole up there. All these vents in across here. Block work up. So yeah, good to get started on the rest of it. Yes, now. Right then, me and Matt have just finished getting the insulation on, like you've just seen in the time lapse. All to a tray height, where you'll see us putting our damp tray, sits on here. But we've got to fill in all of these holes of the brick with some muck, so Matt's getting the mix on now. While he's doing that, I've got to get a foil tape similar to tin foil, but like a sticky tape, just to tape up all these joints so there's not any gaps. So crack on with that, and we'll see you when we're done. Right, last thing you saw was us getting the insulation all in, and I said I'll come back once we've got the tray on. So from here, the tray does step up because of the ground, so we can't return this bit, but we got our tray and our 4-inch damp on. Got that on all the way around. Got our corners set. It's all the way around here as well. All our corners neatly folded, weighed down so they get whipped up. So yeah, we just got the front to do, which we can do on the next course of concrete block work on the outside. See how this is on. 4-inch damp underneath, bedded on. So with the brickwork, we're gonna have to step this 4-inch up so it gets to this level, because the ground level comes into this area. So yeah, we're just about ready to start building. So that'll be quite good to get started. And we've finally got our welfare unit set up. So I think next we'll have a little tour of that. Quite a good bit of kit. So yeah, everything's going on up here. Right, 1 corner set, 2 corners set. We've got our line up. Matt's already running his gabling. now this course of blocks through, we just have to cut one of these insulation sheets down the middle so it sits here to here, because round this front edge, this tray is one course higher because of the ground level, because we have to have our small wheat vent so water can escape through here. So yeah, we'll get the insulation cut rip through and do a bit of loading out for the brickwork, because the next bit is bricking up to here, to final height. Let's crack on. Right, so with that rip of insulation all the way up the front sections, the next week we'll be bringing the rest of the brickwork up to its final height, which is going to be good. So yep, crack on with that. Yeah, ground worker and my dad have been getting all this raised up to its heights, all the backfill, all the drains buried, which you've seen earlier. That's all done. Yeah, we've got a good level up here now, all tidied back up, which is better for us to load out all of our bricks and get a spot board sorted. That's all good. So yeah, we'll have to crack on with it next week. I have done a little tour of our new welfare unit up there in all her glory. So that will either be next clip, or if I filmed anything else today with that. But yeah, right then, so this is a little tour of the company's new bought welfare unit facilities. So it is a trailer, which this panel here pops up and the tow bar comes out, and it's all on hydraulic legs which push the whole thing up. So this is a canteen facilities, kettle, microwave hardwired in, a nice 6-person bench. We're just working on the power outlets there so we can get a 240 volt plug in. So yeah, skylight on the top, nice window, water heating facilities underneath the table, lovely and clean. And to go along with it, so you don't have to hire them separately, we've got a nice clean toilet facility. Got a dispenser up there, all of our cleaning products. You know, it's all foot pedal activated, so sink, toilet, you know, ideal when you don't want to get your hands dirty. Got the fill up for the water there, and the generator room here, which doubles as a drying room. That's a heated bar, got a fuel storage, plenty of coat hooks, spare leads, all our fuse boxes, and obviously the generator. You can see up at the top all the fuse for the solar panel, which we've actually got installed on the top. So if we don't have any fuel, it's got enough power to at least get the lights on and get the hydraulics on. So yeah, it's a pretty cool buy for the company. as we no longer have to hire our own facilities. Just a little bit of work needs doing. Just need to get maybe a Wi-Fi booster to plug in, a few bins, maybe storage, because underneath all the seats there's a space for tool storages. So we've got supplies, leveling, a lot here, which is good. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this one. A little bit different, not much building, mainly all the fiddly bits you can see behind me, the trays, the insulation, the damp courses, everything to get set so we can start building. And of course the little tour of the welfare unit, which is pretty good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and be back next week building up all the brickwork behind and maybe some of the superstructure block work. Yeah, see you then.